Hello again everyone! We're now on our 5th episode. So for today, we will be cooking laing. Laing is a famous dish from Bicol, which is made up of taro dried leaves and coconut milk. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start cooking!
For our ingredients, we're gonna need 50 grams of dried taro leaves or dahon ng gabi, 2 cups of coconut milk, 1 small-sized ginger, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon of shrimp paste, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 300 grams of pork. In a wok, add a little amount of cooking oil. Now we add our pork and saute it and wait until it turns light brown. Once it's already light brown, we add our ginger and saute it together for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we now add our minced garlic and again saute them together for about 2 to 3 minutes. We add our onion and saute all of them together for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, we now add our shrimp paste and saute it with our onion, garlic, ginger, and pork. Once done sauteing, we can now add the half cup of coconut milk into our mixture. After adding the coconut milk, we mix for a little bit and then we now add our ground black pepper. This will put a little bit of spice on our laing. After adding the ground black pepper, we can now add our 50 grams of dried taro leaves or dahon ng gabi. After adding our leaves, make sure that our leaves are properly soaked under our coconut milk. Once we've already soaked our leaves under the coconut milk, we now wait for this to boil for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will now add the remaining half cup of our coconut milk to our mixture. Now, we again wait for this to boil until our leaves are soft. And of course, not only that we wait until our leaves are soft. We wait for the oil of the coconut milk to come out. This is their natural oil. Now that our food is already cooked, we can now prepare it and have it ready to be served.
And now our laing is cooked. This is best partnered with bangus or milkfish. Our ingredients are available at Philcan Asia Variety Store. Philcan Asia Variety Store, your source for Asian flavors. Thanks for watching and see you again on our next episode!